He looks scared. Like a deer in the headlights with his pants down.
Looks like a deer caught in the headlights.
Kinda like, look like a deer in headlights.
Look like a deer in the headlights.
Looks like a deer in the headlights.
Like a ghost, like a deer in headlights. I don't think Randy.
He's frozen like a damn deer in headlights.
But he froze like a deer in the headlights.
You've lost that deer in the headlights look, Wilt.
Crabtree. Should I develop a deer in the headlights look?
English Idiom Challenge. What does like a deer caught in the headlights mean? Correct answer is to feel shocked and unable to move or react. Like a deer caught in the headlights means to be so surprised, frightened, or confused that you cannot move or think clearly. Examples. When the teacher asked him an unexpected question. He stood there like a deer caught in the headlights. She froze like a deer caught in the headlights when the camera suddenly turned to her during the live show. Like and subscribe for more idioms.